Hi, I'm Julieta Díez. I'm from the University of Burgos and I'm working in the World project. My contribution to the project is mostly the market uptake. So trying to build a circular business model that uses waste recycling oil to produce biolubricants. Well, it's useful for my career because I'm working on my PhD thesis on circular economy and its social implications. So I can relate the transformation of waste vegetable oil into other things like waste management and transformation and revalorization. So I did a secondment on the project to Milan a couple of months ago. My professional experience there was mostly related to seeing what was going on in the market, doing a bit of a market uptake, seeing what customers wanted there, and how we can provide value for them and for the used cooking oil industry. Participating and taking part in this project helped me to see other realities, see what other people work on and collaborate and network with other people. It was also very fulfilling on a personal level because it helped me to be more open about being abroad on my own, so it was really a nice experience. I would recommend it because it helps to network with other people from other countries, to collaborate with other members of the consortium that are from the industry, from other universities. So it's really interdisciplinary and it's a really nice experience to meet new people and learn new things.